Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Jumped from the 10th-story window of his apartment. A second man his death safely
I can't believe you're doing
I
that.
can't believe you just snuck out.
I know, fam.
This is so crazy.
You need to do this more often. This is so sick.
I know, man. This is so sick.
Isn't it? Fam, how do you sneak out? Because, fam, that was so tough for me.
Man, I just jumped out of the window.
Are you serious?
Yeah, fam.
No, that's mad. Hey, is that my bottle? That cost me 30 quid.
Olivia gave it to me, bruv. What are you talking about?
Alright, Olivia, is that true?
I'm not involved.
It ain't my fault your girl left you.
Are you dumb, bro? Do you want me to bang you?
What? Come then if you're bad.
You okay, bro?
Stop, guys. Violence isn't the answer. It's late. We've all had a drink. Let's just go and get some sleep.
You ain't my mum.
Where's the signal? Oh.
Oh. Hello? Hello? Ah! No! No!